The former Prime Minister of Britain, Benjamin Disraeli, is quoted as saying, "One secret of success in life is for a man to be ready for his opportunity when it comes." What you're about to see is not a sales pitch. It's not intended to sell you anything. It is simply an opportunity presentation. You'll have to decide if this opportunity is your opportunity and what you want to do with it. If you see in this the potential that I and others have seen, we'll have a lot to talk about. If not, that's okay. We won't be offended if this isn't for you. If it'd be okay with you, I'd like to share with you the 6.5-minute news clip I saw that has given me time and financial freedom. Pay careful attention to the discussion on oxidative stress. If you're not careful, you may miss the significance of what oxidative stress is because you'll be focusing on the blood test in this video and miss what the doctor says about oxidative stress. Now, I'll give you a hint. When the reporter's blood is being drawn for a lab test and the tech is placing a bandage on his arm, listen for the 3 things that Dr. McCord says about oxidative stress. I'll even flag that part of the video so you don't miss it. Let's watch the video now.
You want to get an edge on turning back the clock with just a few pills? Who doesn't? Well, it's no longer science fiction, but science possibility, a potential breakthrough. As I found out firsthand, there may be a way to erase years, at least inside my body. Granted, it's down the road, but some scientists are wondering if a new pill I took might offer a very long life. It may not look like the fountain of youth, but inside this nondescript building, I'm about to become part of an exciting experiment, a kind of guinea pig.
Dr. McCord, okay.
I'm here at the University of Colorado in Denver to meet Dr. Joe McCord, a world-renowned scientist.
This is pretty exciting stuff you're finding, huh?
It is. We're very excited about it.
His latest research could very well unravel the mystery of aging itself. And his decades of experiments may have the potential of adding years to people's lives and possibly prevent chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. It all centers around this small yellow pill, and for me, it begins with a blood test.
Can you scoop? Yeah, there we go.
It wouldn't be the first time I've given blood for this company.
They want to check my levels of something called T-bars, which is a rough indicator of a person's actual age. T-bars can identify a condition known as oxidative stress, a kind of measure of the wear and tear on our bodies. Oxidative stress, like the rusting of an engine, is not a good thing.
Bad for the body.
Leading to disease.
Leading to disease and leading to malfunction, and importantly, leading to what we call aging. It is a slow progression of increasing oxidative stress. That's the main characteristic biochemically of the aging process.
The problem of aging begins with the very food we eat to give us energy. As our cells burn that food, they also release toxic chemicals. Those chemicals, you may know them as free radicals, react with all the components of our cells, literally bombarding them millions of times per second, damaging all our cells. The result? Oxidative stress, and we all have it. The body fights back with a system of defenses. It makes 2 antioxidant enzymes, catalase and SOD, whose job is to gobble up the free radicals before they can harm our cells.
So, doctor, how often do I take these?
And so, here I go. With that swallow, I've just become part of a potentially landmark scientific experiment.
Doesn't taste bad.
It's called Protandim, and tests on both mice and humans have already shown that it revs up the manufacture of those good enzymes in our bodies. More enzymes, fewer free radicals to harm us.
Right now, all we know is that this preparation decreases oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is not a disease, just like aging is not in itself a disease, but it's something that accompanies and is attached to many disease processes. So you can see the age-related.
Normally, oxidative stress, measured by those T-bars, increases with age. But in Dr. McCord's tests, taking just 1 pill of Protandim a day reversed that trend for everyone at every age, even for an 80-year-old.
They all are reduced to the level of oxidative stress that one would expect, frankly, in a newborn or a very young child.
So, just what's in this seemingly incredible pill? Well, actually, its roots are very humble. Protandem is a combination of 5 plant ingredients. Some you may know: green tea or turmeric, a spice used in Indian cooking. Others, Withania somnifera and Silybum marianum, are more exotic.
There's a huge human experience with each of these ingredients. They've been used often in traditional medicine in India and China and many other cultures, in some cases centuries and centuries.
And so, ancient Eastern healing and modern Western medicine may soon be working together. High oxidative stress is associated with more than aging. It's been linked to hundreds of illnesses.
It's at the very center of many diseases: liver disease, diabetes, emphysema, asthma. I've studied all of these: strokes, heart attacks.
Even mental disease.
Yes.
Depression?
Alzheimer's disease, depression.
Dr. James Crapo with the National Jewish Medical Center in Denver is also researching Protandem for the company.
We make no claims about curing any disease or preventing any disease. We hope that when enough studies are done, perhaps such claims might be able to be made in the future.
Clinical studies to assess Protandem in both diabetes and heart disease should start in 3 to 4 months. But what about my progress? After nearly 2 weeks now, it's time to get my results. Dr. McCord calculates the numbers. The result? My level of oxidative stress has declined dramatically.
45%, that's excellent.
Just look at where I fall on the graph, before and after.
Which, if extrapolated back, is the level you would see in a newborn baby.
Would you suggest I keep taking this supplement?
I would. I can't guarantee it's going to extend your life. I can't guarantee it's going to eliminate any diseases or cure any diseases.
But we do know that oxidative stress is part of those disease processes. I don't want to wait until I'm 80 years old and find out that I should have taken it.
The company that makes Protandem says its tests show the pill, made from ingredients used for centuries, is absolutely safe. But because it's being sold as a nutritional supplement and not a drug, Protandem does not need FDA approval for safety.
Did you catch what Dr. McCord said about oxidative stress? Oxidative stress is bad for the body, leading to disease, malfunction, and importantly, what we know as aging. Oxidative stress is bad for the body. It leads to things we want less of in our lives, and what you just saw shows there is a clinically proven way to reduce oxidative stress by an average of 40% in 30 days. Now you may ask, is this really true? And I'm pleased to tell you the answer is yes. It's easily verifiable. If you go to the U.S. National Library of Medicine, you'll find 14 peer-reviewed studies by top-tiered universities that have verified the scientific claims of this product. They have even revealed further data that shows Protandem has an impact on the inflammatory and fibrotic processes of the body as well. There are now 5 U.S. patents on Protandem, and being a publicly traded company on the NASDAQ stock exchange, LifeVantage's business and claims have been scrutinized by the regulatory agencies that govern public companies. When there's something that's bad for the body, leading to disease, malfunction, and aging, and everyone has it, and we can reduce that condition by 40% in 30 days for $40 a month, we have opportunity. For decades, we've tried to address oxidative stress with antioxidants. The antioxidant industry is a $40 billion a year industry, and nothing to date has been clinically proven to create an average reduction of even 10% in any amount of time. You may now be catching a glimpse of the enormity of this opportunity. A condition that is bad for the body, leads to disease, malfunction, and aging can now be removed from the table as a health concern because of Protandem. As of December 31st, 2012, when LifeVantage reported to Wall Street their quarterly earnings, the company reported approximately 196,000 households actively receiving Protandem on a monthly basis. 196,000 households actively receiving Protandim on a monthly basis in the entire world. The population of the world is nearing 7 billion, and less than 0.003% of the world is on Protandim. That means that about 1 in every 33,000 people in the world take Protandim. That's all. Now, 100% of the world's population has oxidative stress. It's bad for the body 100% of the time, and LifeVantage has an all-natural product that reduces oxidative stress by an average of 40% in 30 days. There's a sizable opportunity with LifeVantage and Protandim, and the timing will never be better. For those that would like to seize the opportunity with us, let me share the following steps to get started. The first step is to enroll as a Vantage Pack distributor. The cost to enroll and start your business is $630. With your enrollment, you'll receive $535 wholesale of our product and $95 of marketing materials. If you'd like, you can retail the product that comes in your Vantage Pack and earn back over $600 on your sales. All businesses have an overhead, and LifeVantage is no different. Your monthly overhead is $200, and the company will allow you to offset your overhead with your own personal customers, as long as one of them is you. At this stage in the market of LifeVantage, we're not about being pill pushers. The day will come when Protandim will be a household name, and the customers will be plenty. This is the pioneering season, the time to build the infrastructure of distribution for the millions and millions of customers that will come to LifeVantage. Many hands make light work, and together, with a network of distributors, we can reach more people with the message of Protandim than going it alone and retailing the product. Will you have customers? Sure you will. Many people will watch what you just watched and decline the business opportunity and seize the opportunity to improve their health by reducing oxidative stress. These will become our customers. The day is coming when Protandim will be a household name, and the persons who have laid the greatest foundation with a network of distributors will reap the greatest rewards. A very successful business friend of mine said that when you boil it all down and determine why a business fails, it really comes down to one thing: a lack of cash flow. You can expect to create fast cash flow when you follow our proven plan and work the system our top leaders in the company have developed. Your first job as a LifeVantage distributor is to pull together your team to help build out your LifeVantage enterprise. When you recruit your first 3 distributors, you will earn $210 each for the first 3 distributors, giving you a complete return on your startup, and then you'll begin to build long-term recurring profits on the customer sales that move through the distribution channels you establish. If you add 3 team members in a calendar month, you can expect to earn an additional bonus, increasing your return on investment. There are 6 ways that we can be compensated in LifeVantage, and my friend Fred Davis, who shared this opportunity with me 2 years ago, said, "Mark, if you'll share the opportunity, I'll tell you how the compensation plan works." It works well. He was right, and in less than 2 years, it retired me from my 21 years in private practice. Now, if you're a detail person, we can get you all of the information you need. And if you're ready to get started, get with the person who invited you to view this video. We're going to make a big difference in the lives of people all across the world. And we will be paid handsomely if we approach this with integrity, determination, and hard work. I hope you'll join us on this endeavor, and together we can experience all of the dreams we have hoped to achieve. This concludes our opportunity presentation, and now the ball's in your court. You have to decide if you're going to do it with us or if you're going to let it go on by and miss it. It's your call. Whatever your decision, let the person who invited you to watch this know of your decision. Thank you.